You guys have been asking for this video, so here we are. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Tesla versus Bugatti. We got all the craziest Teslas. We have the Model X P100D, we have the Model S 100D, but don't worry, we also have a Model 3 Performance and the new 2021 Model S Performance, the fastest Tesla in the entire world. We have an airport at our disposal. Bugatti versus Tesla. This is my 2008 Bugatti Veyron, 1001 horsepower. Back in 2008, this was the fastest car in the world. Bugatti versus Tesla, let's roll. Oh, Oscar's peeing on Burlacker's Raptor. Yes, yes. Oh my goodness, good boy, Oscar. Good fluke. He just peed on your truck.
Why are you
celebrating
that?
That is so exciting. Also, I look like Bob the Snowman. Why are you wearing shorts? Oh, wow. Casual Saturday. Oscar, good boy. I just realized I just enforced the good behavior of Oscar. He's gonna pee there now all the time. Good boy. I love you, bud. Good boy. I said it yesterday and I'm gonna say it again. Heated seats, the greatest invention of the 21st century. It's just Burlacker's world and we're just all grateful to be a part of it. Come on, baby. Don't you make me use that ice scraper. It's cold out. Now this right here is why we have the warehouse, why we got the bin pack lifts, because the warehouse is stacked. Now yesterday was just one big logistical nightmare. I basically spent the entire day in Ubers and in Teslas, but it was well worth it. As you might say, ladies and gentlemen, views on views. I gotta give a massive shout out to TheStradman Auto for the X loan and the S loan. Guys, if you're in the market for a used Tesla, they got the best prices, the most volume in the entire country. We have the 100D. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a P100D. I tried. I still have an idea. There's still a chance we might get one, but we do have the P100D Model X, the Model 3 Performance, and of course the Bugatti. The Bugatti. This is so sick to be able to stack all of the cars like this. I'm getting excited for this race and kind of sort of nervous. If I had to guess, I think the Teslas would jump the Bugatti off the line, but I'm telling you, once the 4 turbos get spooled, it is gonna be game over, or at least I hope. I spent $880,000 on this car, and I think the Model 3 Performance is what, 50, 60? Look at that smug smile. I only have one goal today, and that is to convince you to buy a supercar. Yes, yes. I'm telling you guys, when this vinyl hits the sun, it just hits the soul on a different level. Okay, so we're very late. We gotta move the bug. This is so weird. Why do we have all these Teslas here? Usually there's tons of supercars. All the neighbors hate me. I think the neighbors want me to get a Tesla Roadster.
We're in stealth mode today.
Are you gonna get a Tesla Roadster?
Yes.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
That's so flex. I was not expecting that.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Okay, I'm trying to get one too, but let's kind of sort of see what happens. Look at this guy. We got Traffic Cone Malone right here in the coupe. This is a Cooper S. That's got a supercharger.
Bolty, fully bolted.
Wow. Ooh, merch link in the description below. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I kind of sort of have a question.
Yes,
Why
sir.
didn't you do this camo on that side instead of like, what are you trying to do? Huh?
Yeah, I mean, originality.
Okay. We're gonna pop it into sport mode and go. Distraction! The brakes are probably almost more impressive than the acceleration though, but it's just so addicting. Okay, we got a Chrysler Pacifica in front of us. He's ruining our video. You guys knew this was inevitable. We are off-roading the Bugatti Veyron. The sound of the gravel hitting the carbon fiber is not very pleasant. We got the whole Tesla squad. Graham's from California. It's like 40 degrees out here. It's a beautiful day here in Utah. So, round 1, Model 3 Performance against Bugatti Veyron. Best of luck, mate. White gloves.
Good luck. You're gonna need
They
it.
accentuate your personality and your car. The trash talk begins now. This is race number 1, Bugatti Veyron against Tesla Model 3 Performance. If I lose this race, all the other races are gonna be kind of sort of ho-hum. I'm pretty sure the Bugatti's gonna beat it. We have roughly a quarter mile. We should see about 130 miles an hour, maybe. Oh, come on, Bug! I messed up that launch, but I'm gonna track him down anyways. Go! It was go!
Oh no!
That's so much dust, we just caked that Model 3. We have to win, because if we lose, the whole front of the car is gonna be destroyed. Oh, boys, we got the W, but just barely. I messed up launch control, so as Graham's girlfriend put her arms up, it actually disengaged launch control. We still tracked him down. We got the W. We're gonna have to do better, because that Model X, it's a P100D. So the Model X it only has like 40% battery, so if you could go easy on the throttle, that'd be great. Thank you so much.
Nice one.
No heat, no heated seats though.
You're trying to sabotage.
No, that's actually trying to help me. I was trying to help you.
Car.
It's crazy because back in 2008, this was the fastest car in the world, and the Model X is like a crossover, and yet there's an outside chance this thing could beat me. It looks like a Jelly Belly. I like Jelly Bellies. I am pro Jelly Belly, but like, I mean, the Veyron looks like a Jelly Belly too. Whoa. Wait.
Yeah.
You have Ludicrous Plus?
I just turned it on.
What? You weren't supposed to figure out how to do that.
Yeah.
Jack, did you show him that?
Yes, sir.
Oh, great.
Guess what? We're gonna win an autopilot today.
My time is done. I'm gonna have to quit YouTube, you realize. If I lose this race, oh, great.
Wait, what was that? Did I just hear a moment of weakness?
He has Ludicrous Plus.
From the man
He
himself?
has Ludicrous Plus.
You're in a Bugatti.
I know, but it's a
When
old
has a
one.
Tesla ever been said in a rap video? Never.
Are you sure? I think they're in rap videos all the
I don't know.
time.
I don't know.
I'm pulling up my sleeves. This should help, right? Yes! Oh! Yes, go! He's got
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes! Yes! Oh, it feels good. That is 125 miles. Yo! Eat my dust! Yes! What was that, baby bird lacquer? You talking trash?
No, I'm not. They're talking mad smack.
Whoa! Is it you, Jack? You talking trash on me, bro?
It doesn't even have ludicrous mode in it.
It's 100D, bro. I couldn't get the P. I tried. I know.
You set me up to fail.
I
in
did.
This is
I
slower
did.
than the
I
other
did.
ones.
You're
How is
right.
this gonna-
Sometimes in life, right?
Easy there,
Oh, you
fella.
were-
We're good.
You were
We're
already
good.
jumping the line.
Whose team are you on,
Trying to
bro?
make it fair.
Okay, I appreciate that. I want it to be fair too. I'm just not gonna launch the car, okay? Because I'm pretty sure we can track him down regardless.
Yes. Are we winning?
Yes! Wow.
Dude, you reeled him in.
I did. It's
No
crazy with
launch.
no launch though. The car is so lethargic. It's like, and then it just takes off. As soon as the turbos spool up, it's got 4 turbos. That's 4 more than the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. This entire day I set up so I would win, and then Graham makes a call and gets a P100D. Bro.
I had to do it. I have to win. I have to win one. I have to show you.
He doesn't have to. You don't have to. So you have cheetah mode. And does this have Ludicrous Plus as well?
It does.
So you got cheetah mode and Ludicrous. Oh,
It's gonna do it.
great. We got dinosaur mode over here. I was wrong. Tesla fanboys, don't hate me, don't hate me. It's not a P100D. This is actually a 2021 Tesla Model S Performance. This is the latest and greatest. Graham with the connections. Man. I don't know, boys. I can tell that's a fast Tesla. It's a 2021 Performance. I didn't even know they had a cheetah mode.
I didn't either.
They got plaid mode, they got cheetah mode. I can't keep track of it. Ludicrous Plus. Like, I just have sport mode. This is it, boys. This is the final race of the afternoon. The Bugatti Veyron against the fastest Tesla in the entire world. I'm pretty sure. I don't know my Tesla stuff that well. This car will do 0 to 60, I think, in 2.5 seconds. If I'm wrong, the right number's right here. It's got the white interior too, bro. What? You're fast and you look sharp.
It's mint.
All right, so you're in cheetah mode. Ludicrous Plus.
Ludicrous. Let's try it.
The confidence level is very, very high. Yes! Yes! Oh! No! Come on, Bug!
Yes!
Oh! Come on, Bug! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yes, yes, yes! And we go bye-bye! That was close!
That was close.
I forgot to turn traction control off again. That's 4 for 4, boys. Yes. We should celebrate with a 4 for 4 from Lindy's.
Ooh.
That's an idea. That is an idea.
Not a paid product placement.
But if it could be. Honestly, we really couldn't have done much better than that. Like, both launch controls were perfect, but the owner of the P100D, or no, sorry, I keep saying P100D, the Model S Performance, he wants to try to beat me. This is it, boys. This is the final race. We're racing the owner of the Model S Performance. Bear in mind, he has the 720S. He has the track record. He's the fastest driver in the entire state of Utah. Oh, geez. Yes. Go, Bugatti, go. Oh, yes.
And he's gone.
Just by a smidge, a smidge. And that's all she wrote. The Model 3 Performance, the Model X P100D, and the Model S Performance versus the Bugatti Veyron. Massive shout out to this airport here in Fairview, Utah for the homie hookup. Check that out. What an amazing day. Look at this guy. Wow. Getting a selfie with the car that just smoked you. I see how it is.
There we go.
Dude, that was so much fun though.
That was.
Thank you so much for flying up from LA. Guys,
Thank you.
if you don't follow Graham, I don't know what you're doing. If you want to learn how to make money, he's your guy. Link in the description below.
Oh, wait. You also got to tell him to smash the like button.
Oh! Yeah, if you guys want to try, well, I messed it up. You say it.
You got to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm.
Yes, sir.
Destroy
yes,
it.
sir.
Just do
It's
it.
just right down there, boys.
Right
Right down there.
Just give it a little
Just
tap.
smash that like button. I got to come visit you in LA or Vegas soon. Let's do it.
Love it.
Awesome. Look at this guy, Stefan. He's out there in the thickets, getting the shot every single day. He never misses, except for in basketball. He's got a very poor three-point shot. Oh, you weren't supposed to hear that, bro. You're fine. Yeah, I definitely would not pick you for Rex League basketball. Wait, what?
Sucks.
I know I say this every single video, but you gotta admit, the purple, boys, the purple, it just looks so good. I am absolutely exhausted. That was a crazy day. We filmed a podcast as well as a long interview for Graham's channel. If you want to see him, go check out the links in the description below. His videos are going to be posted after my video. This video goes live. His long interview is going to go live on Wednesday and the podcast on Sunday. I think I got that right. That might be wrong. I'm probably wrong. Just go subscribe to his channel. Link in the description below. It kind of ended how I predicted. The Teslas jumped the Bugatti, but once those 4 turbos got spooled, we just tracked him down and we flew on by. This Bugatti is amazing. We did 6 hard launches, 130 miles an hour every time, and the car never missed a beat. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.